Some places are not merely visited, they are entered. Across the sea, Ireland waits, a land of stone and fire, of story and spirit, where legends were shaped by courage, wisdom, and the will to rise. Here, the wind carries old voices. The land remembers, and the fire still reveals what is strong enough to endure. Soon, Orion 180 will gather in this place of myth and momentum, not simply to meet, not simply to celebrate, but to step beyond the familiar, to seek new vision, to discover what is possible, to travel beyond limits. Every legend begins with a call, and now the path is opening. Accelerate 26, where legends rise.